What's up, my people? How are you today? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from where you're watching from, guys. It's your girl yet again, Betty. Mwah. And so, guys, today it's a cleaning day, guys. Yeah, I'm all clean, and I should also clean where I stay mostly, guys. Yeah, so today, guys, I want to do something that I've never tried, but I know I can't miss. Yeah, I have a fridge behind me, so it's my first time I want to clean this fridge, the whole of it, guys. It's my first time, my very first time cleaning a fridge. Yeah, and yeah, of course it can't, like, it must be clean. It has to be clean. So you always try, and practice makes perfect, I know. So I think everything will be well. I think I'll just try. So first things first, our fridge is on. We must turn it off first. You start cleaning it when it is off. So we turn it off first. Yeah, so after it's off, now, like, you can, now it is loaded, guys. It is loaded. So we have to remove everything from the fridge. Remove everything, like everything from the fridge, and then you can start now doing your cleaning and everything, you know. Yeah, so this is what we do. I know it's very dirty. I think you can see it's ice inside. Yeah. It's very cold in here. Exactly. So this is the empty space of the fridge, guys, and it's icy. It's like, it's so cold in here. So I want to do away with this ice, then I do the cleaning part and everything. So yeah, we must, like, remove everything from the whole fridge. Like, we have just to remove everything from the whole fridge. Like, you should, it's a plan. You plan yourself well. Yeah, so let's do the lower part. And guys, this is the lower part. Look the way it's stacked. I know. Yeah, every kind of thing is in here. Yeah, and it's also, like, very disorganized and dirty. So today we are organizing things inside this fridge. Yeah, so I want to remove everything. Everything should be removed, like everything. I hope nothing is spoiled. I hope nothing is spoiled. Yeah. Oops. Okay. Eggs. Cucumbers or cucumbers. Oops. Look at this. Oof. I think these ones are supposed to be thrown. Oh, they are rotten. Okay, I think the lower part is not that much. It doesn't have a lot of work to do. The lower part, I think it will be a little bit faster. So we are done. This is the lower part. It's dirty, I know. So we have to start cleaning. I should add my detergent to my water. Here is my water. Yeah. Some little detergent. Exactly. So guys, as I told you, actually this is my first time. But I know I won't mess. I will never mess. Yeah. So where do we start from? We also have to rinse or something. Should we? Are we also rinsing? Okay. I won't force anything. I won't force anything. It's hectic and I don't want to mess around with anything in this fridge. So yeah. So guys, we're almost done with the lower part. We're almost done with the lower part. We are only like, we only have to rinse. So let's finish first. Since it's my first time, I don't want to mess with anything. Like, no. So, I think we're done with this lower part. I think we're done with this lower part, guys. Yeah. Here it is. So let's now deal with the upper part, the freezer part. Yeah, here it is. So I know this one is hectic because we have to do the ice first. We have to remove this ice. And maybe this is a knife. I don't know if it will work best. This is a lot. This is a lot. Okay. So we are now one. Let's now just wipe the upper part, the freezer part. Oh my god. Yeah. Let me start with this. So guys, we are done with the wiping. Now let's rinse. Rinsing will be a little bit quick, I know. Yeah, we are done with the wiping. I hope I've tried. I hope I've tried. So let's rinse the fridge. Is this the fridge and this is the freezer? I don't know. I'm learning. Yeah. So let's rinse and then we are done. Then we are done. So I'm here again with my rinsing water. I want to rinse. Yeah, let's get started. Ooh, done. So we are done. We are done. Now we just have to arrange. This is the end results. Yeah, you're done, you're done, you're done. So guys, we are finishing up with this one. I forgot to clean this one, but we are finishing up with it. Yep, it's dirty, it's too dirty. So, I don't know if I forgot how you prep. Yeah, this way. Now let's arrange the tomatoes and the carrots. Here we go. And some lemon. Lemon. And we are done. We are done. Like, we are done. Yeah, so here is the end product. So I'm done. So guys, let me know what you think. Is it clean? I've tried or I've not tried. Let me know what you think. Correct me where I'm supposed to be corrected. Where I don't also correct me. So that the next time I should do what's supposed to be done. I should be perfect. Yeah, so guys, this is it. This is it. It's not stopped. We will restock it. Yeah. So guys, let me hope I did something good. Let me hope I did something good. Yeah, it is. So yeah guys, and that is the end. That is the end, guys. So guys, kindly consider subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, and also turning your notification bells on. Support this girl, road to 1,000 subscribers. Please do, guys. Please do. Yeah, we have to grow this channel together, guys. Let me hope you enjoyed the video. Keep supporting me, and let's meet in the next video, guys. Let's meet in the next video, guys. Toodles!